Hey, it's CCD, and I am here with my first ever video. It's an unboxing video of my birthday present, which is about 5 months overdue. This is the new Samsung Note 10 Plus. It just came out August 23rd. We had it on pre-order, but because both my husband and I work in the mines, we haven't been able to touch and feel this box until today. I am very excited to get my hands on this baby and open it. Alright, out of its mailing package, and here we have a very white cardboard box. Oops, that's not right. Oh my goodness, it's a Note 10 Plus! Let me do the dramatic zoom as well. It's all in black. We've got a black pen outline here. That will be because we bought the phone in the color AuraBlack. You know, you always hear people talking about this amazing color AuraBlack. That was a joke, by the way, because all the videos online are only of the Aura Glow color. Oh, it looks sleek already. I'm excited. I would be more excited if I knew how to open it. Oops. Don't do that. If you're opening one of these phones yourself, don't do what I just did. Here we've got a box with the pin tool to help you change your SIM card over, and oh my goodness, it comes with its own case. I did not know that. So let me just jump to what I was gonna do at the end. So I didn't realize it came with a case. I went off and bought a case for this phone. But this is a very nice case, and it's very different to the one I bought. It's clear, just clear plastic. This would probably show off the Aura Glow color very nicely, but you know, I think it'll show the AuraBlack color off equally as well. Now, before I knew that this case came with the phone, I went off and bought this case. It's by, I don't know how to pronounce this, but I think it's Spigen, perhaps? Anyway, I bought this phone case with my Samsung S6 Edge, and I've been using it for, you know, 4 years, and it's still going strong. This is the case that I've always found myself returning to, so I went off and bought it for the Note 10 Plus as well, because chances are, if it's something that's lasted me for 4 years, it will probably last me on my nice shiny new Note 10 to protect it. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's somewhat similar, but a whole lot larger. The size is just insane. I'm gonna have to get used to this size difference, but it's a journey I'm looking forward to. Alright, now on to the rest of the product. Here we have the product, which is the Note 10 Plus. Okay, this is a moment to enjoy. That was pretty sick. Now on the front, I don't want to take anything off because this phone actually comes with a protective screen pre-installed, which is great because I'm awful at putting them over the curved edges here, so it's really nice that Samsung did this for us. Already pre-installed straight out of the box, don't have to worry about it. I reckon we should try turning this baby on. While this is setting up, I'll leave it here where everyone can see it, and I'll go through what's in the rest of the box. Oh, well that was quick. Alright. Let's go. English, Australia, yes. I will insert the SIM later. Well, you know, I've definitely read it. Skip. I might do this one off screen. What you can see here straight off the bat, because of this very nice white background, is the Infinity O display, the little cutout with the front-facing camera. I think it looks much better than it did on the S10 because it's smaller in size, even though it's only one camera instead of two now. But it should be enough for all of my requirements anyway. Now I'll put that aside. Let's go with the rest of this. Here we see a wall charger. Anyway, this charger is a 25-watt charger, and straight out of the box, it's awesome. It's the fastest charger I have ever had my hands on, apart from my USB hub. The phone itself is capable of charging up to 45 watts, which is insane. One day I hope to test it if I have a wall charger of that capability. And here we have, I'm not sure what this is. I didn't mean to pick this up, but anyway, here we have not sure if you can see that, but if you can't, that's okay. I'll explain it to you. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is great because that's what this phone uses. It'd be a bit ridiculous to put in a cable that the phone doesn't use. And here we have, so these are the AKG earphones. They come in box, and they're, what's happened is that the phone no longer has a headphone jack, so they've now put this in with the box, and it's a wired earphones that it goes to USB-C, so you can still use it despite the phone itself not having a headphone jack. And there's some voodoo going on because I cannot take this apart. Wouldn't it be a shame if I broke this straight off the bat? Okay, this is not coming out very nicely out of the package, but it is coming out. Slowly but surely. You know what? I reckon I need an alpha male to help me with this. Ta-da! Here you have the USB-C plug. This end you've got your lovely earbuds, and it comes with 2 additional different rubber sizes, depending on your size and shape of your ear, I suppose. It has volume control as well, plus and minus. Oh, and that feels kind of satisfying to click. It appears that it has a microphone as well, but I'm not sure on the quality yet. I'll probably talk about it in future videos. And I almost checked this out. Ooh. There's something else in there. But first, USB-C to our USB-A. A handy little adapter I'm sure I'll keep on me at all times. And there's something else in here. Oh gosh, what have I done? Geez, there's a lot of like paper, cardboardy type stuff used in the packaging of this. I wonder if they thought about that when they made all of this. Aha! I know what this is. This is a tool for removing the soft tips on the stylus, on the S Pen. And it also comes with two little refills, I suppose you could call them that. So that's the tool when it chooses to focus. You can see its vague shape, whatever. And there's two tips on here, one's white and one's black. Ah, thank you. And now that you can see again, here's that tool that I was talking about. Speaking of the S Pen, let's find it. Anyway, it's here. And if I... Oh, that was a pretty satisfying click too. The best one yet. Oh, look at that baby. It feels like a thin pencil, I would say, with its weight. It does have a button on it though, which is here, a little bit higher up. Oh, and I have woken up my phone screen with it. And also clicks like a pen. So that's pretty awesome. Now of course my pen is in black because I bought the phone in the wondrous AuraBlack color. You have never seen a specimen like this on YouTube before because no one seems to have it. It's a rare species. I don't think I could deal with the psychedelic glow color, to be honest. Probably go blind. I'll just skip this step for now. I will do this at a later time, probably in the comfort of my own bed when I'm trying to tune out the world and relax. I'll be playing with all of this. I don't know if it'll keep me up or not, but that was a very non-modern sound. I think it's very old school. But anyway, looks pretty decent. Bixby Home. I will be changing this power button. So this phone is kind of different from previous models because here we have the volume button and what is now called the side button, which has a dual purpose as a Bixby button and also as the power button. So if you click it, it just turns your screen off and on as you'd expect. And I seem to have notifications already, which is a bit odd. And when I hold it, it brings up Bixby. Although let's skip that. And if you don't edit it, you can access your power menu in two different ways, which is holding down the side button and the volume down button. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. If you have small hands like me, you cannot do it one-handed. So there it is. Imagine having to put your hand in that position every single time. I don't think so. And this is the other second method of getting to that power menu, which is probably a little bit more convenient at this point without changing any of the box functions. Well, that's all the energy I have for this recording session. I will catch you on the next one.